Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin keeps dipping. Since my last video, the price has dropped by 2.7%, falling from 106,000 to just above 103,000. Key horizontal support levels have been broken. The red line at 104.9 thousand, which held as support for a while, finally gave in after 3 tests in 12 hours. The yellow dotted line at 104.3 also failed on the second retest. Now we sit at 103.2. The next few hours will be critical to see whether the bulls can defend the yellow line at 103.4. If that level breaks, what comes next? We could be looking at a test of 101.5 and 100.8 thousand. In the past 24 hours, liquidations have hit $717.91 million. Of that, 639 million were longs. Brutal to say the least. Zooming into the 3-day liquidation heat map, we see that almost every major level below us has been cleared. Only the zone at 102,000 still shows signs of liquidity, with roughly 200 million in longs. In contrast, the upside lights up like a beacon. A massive short liquidation cluster sits at 109.4 thousand with $485 million at that level. Across the cluster, we are talking billions. On the 12-hour heat map, late and high leverage shorts are piling in. This behavior creates an opportunity for a fast move up. If price squeezes back to 105,000, we would sweep those shorts and reclaim key resistance levels at 103.4 and 104.3 thousand. Is the bull market over? Let's investigate. CoinGlass has a checklist of 30 peak cycle indicators. Not one of them is flashing a warning right now. In fact, several suggest the opposite. We can inspect every single indicator and see that price is nowhere near a top. Now let's consult the classic Bitcoin rainbow chart. Developed by Digitalic in 2014, the rainbow shows us colored bands to represent different stages of a market cycle. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting in the accumulate zone, which is the third of 9 bands. That means we are not even in the bubble territory yet. If Bitcoin were to move into the orange zone similar to the 2021 peak, it would land at 433,000 today. If it reached the highest red band like in 2017, the price would hit 792,000. Looking ahead to Q4 of 2025, which many expect to be the real top, the red zone on December 1st is projected at 955,000. The light orange band on that date would sit around 523,000. I hope this gives you a better perspective. We are still early. We are not in a bear market, but in the expansion phase of the cycle. These bull markets are driven by Bitcoin's halving mechanism, which cuts the supply of new coins every 210,000 blocks. Right now, Bitcoin's inflation is even lower than gold. There is still a massive information asymmetry in this market. Most people do not understand these fundamentals. That gives us an edge. I'm still holding my positions, but of course, I've set up proper risk management in case we see cheaper prices in the coming days. Historically, June tends to be underwhelming when it comes to price performance. Remember how I praised May for over-delivering with 14% gains? The recent drop pulled that number down to 10.39%. That puts us close to the historical median of 9.51% for the month of May, going back to 2013. I'll keep updating you daily with the most relevant insights. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for bonuses and community invites. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if this video brought you value. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next update. And see you in the next one.